Okay, stay there. DPS. We got 6. Roll up to 8. Go up to 8. We'll go up to 8. 7. Alright, going to click. Clicking. Everyone get in. Get in. Inside the circle group. Raid group inside the circle. Mercenary not in the circle. He's mercenary. I don't know why he's not in the circle. Alright, kind of. Oh, I see why they move over there. Fast. Keep him to the wall. Your left, my right. We can chill. We can chill. Keep him here. Keep him here. Get ready to interp, guys. Good. I got the next one. Someone get this next one. Good job. Someone's up next. Interrupt, please. Nope, we missed it. Alright, get out of pink. Get out of pink. We're at 4 stacks. How many stacks you got? Add spawning. Add spawning. Okay, copy. Kind of away. Perfect. Okay. He's at 31%, guys. Interrupt that. You gotta interrupt that jet. Gotta interrupt that. Our tank's one shot now. Acid jet, guys. Very important. Hydraulic pools, very important as well.
Sensor showing a lot of movement in the jungle.
Scattered
19%. Add the spawning. Burn boss. Burn boss. Operate buff. 13%. Pool needs to be interrupt. Acid. Got it. Okay, good. Ooh. Burn them, baby.
Sensors indicate the horde is beginning to dissipate. They were.
That went so smoothly.